Many of my friends have asked about sponsoring a visit visa for their family. They feel it's complicated, but Dubai government has introduced the easiest method for all the expats to stay with their loved ones. Come, let's understand the entire process, the overall cost, and also the documents required. A salary of 4,000 dirhams is a basic requirement to sponsor one's family. If you don't meet this requirement, then please don't worry. I will also share other options available in mid of this video. The next step is to apply for the entry permit, and here are the documents required. First of all, you must type an application form from the authorized typing center, colored passport copies, one photograph with white background, sponsor's passport copy with visa page, attested original marriage certificate, attested original birth certificate, 3 months bank statement, then original labor contract or the salary certificate for the government employees, original tenancy contract, and lastly the electricity bill. Note that the attestation of the marriage certificate must be done from the home country as well as from the UAE embassy. Once your family has arrived in Dubai, you have 30 days time to apply for the medical test and the Emirates ID. For this, the documents required are: first, you have to type an application form from the authorized typing center, 2 photocopies of your wife and 1 photo of your child, both in white background, original passport of both the wife and the child, then the original visa for both, father's original Emirates ID or passport copy. After submitting all these documents, you need to visit the nearest medical fitness center for blood test and the X-rays. Medical test is not required for the children below 15 years. Within few days, you will receive your medical certificate via courier, and lastly visit General Directorate of Residency and Foreigners Affairs for visa stamping on your passport. So now, if we talk about the cost, then the overall cost will be around 1,200 to 1,500 dirhams. As I mentioned earlier, if you don't have the salary of basic